Hi, so my name is Shrayesh Shrestha and I'm from Nepal, and I've been doing music for the previous 19 years, and I am right now located in New York, based in New York. I've been in New York for the previous 8 years and been doing music ever since I came here. Yeah, my roots would be punk rock. That's how I started drumming. Punk is the reason why I got into drums, more like pop punk, Travis Barker. But very soon, as soon as I learned how to play a little bit of it, I got inspired even more by the likes of Keith Moon, John Bonham, Jeff Porcaro, the great. Yeah, and I'm an independent drummer, so I'm in a lot of different projects right now. By a lot, I mean 5. And what I would like to share to you would be about Gaon Ani Gali and the Disco Killers. So Disco Killers is a psychedelic funk rock band, indie. It's also a lot more like a jam band as well, like the Grateful Dead. And yeah, it's just really fun playing 7-piece band. We got saxophone, keyboard player, vocals, both male and female, so it's all about harmony and awesomeness. But right now, on a more important context, I'm talking about Go Ani Gali, another band that I'm a co-founder of. So it's more like blues, punk, psychedelic rock, indie rock, and we have a huge following. Within a span of 2.5 years, that's how long the band has been formed, and it's really fun playing here in New York with all of it. So right now, I'm just gonna also attach a link to one of the originals with Gaon Gali that we composed, and yeah. It's we're just born for originals as an artist, everything, all the music I do, none of these bands I'm in is a cover band. It's all originals, and I appreciate you guys. Let's rock.
Pero